Welcome back, bike enthusiasts! If you're looking to keep your bike in top condition, having a reliable repair stand is essential. Today, we are diving into the best bike repair stands for 2024. We have handpicked 7 stands that offer exceptional stability, usability and durability. Let's get started with our top picks. At the first position of our list, we have RAD Cycle Pro Stand Plus with tool tray. The RAD Cycle Pro Stand Plus with tool tray is a standard choice for home mechanics. This repair stand is designed with stability in mind, featuring a sturdy steel frame that can support bikes up to 66 pounds. The robust construction ensures that even the heaviest bikes are held securely in place, providing a reliable platform for all your repair needs. One of the key features of this stand is the 360-degree rotating clamp, which allows you to position your bike at any angle for easy access. This versatility is crucial for performing detailed repairs and adjustments. The clamp itself is padded to protect your bike's frame from scratches and damage, ensuring your bike stays in pristine condition. The included tool tray is a practical addition, keeping all your essential tools within arm's reach. This convenience means you can focus on your repairs without constantly searching for the right tool. The stand is also adjustable in height, making it suitable for use by mechanics of all heights and ensuring a comfortable working position.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Next up at number 2, we have the Park Tool Deluxe Home Mechanic Repair Stand. Known for its high-quality construction, this stand is a favorite among serious home mechanics. The stand features an all-steel frame with a textured powder coat finish, providing both durability and a professional appearance. This heavy-duty build ensures long-term reliability and stability during use. The clamp on this stand is micro-adjustable, allowing for precise positioning of your bike. It accommodates a wide range of tube shapes and sizes, ensuring compatibility with various bike frames. The clamp's quick-release mechanism makes securing and releasing your bike fast and easy, saving you time during setup and adjustments. Height adjustability is another significant feature, with the stand capable of extending from 39 to 57 inches. This flexibility allows you to work comfortably whether you are adjusting derailleurs, blading brakes, or performing more intricate tasks. The stand's base is designed for maximum stability with wide legs that provide a solid foundation. Next up at number 3, we have Feedback Sports Mechanic Bicycle Repair Stand. The Feedback Sports Mechanic Bicycle Repair Stand is another top-tier option for bike maintenance. This stand is known for its portability and ease of use, making it a great choice for both home mechanics and professionals who need a reliable stand on the go. The anodized aluminum construction is lightweight yet durable, ensuring it can withstand regular use without compromising on performance. One of the standard features of this stand is the secure and adjustable clamp. It can rotate 360 degrees, providing full access to your bike from any angle. The clamp is also designed to protect your bike's frame with rubberized jaws that prevent scratches and damage. This is particularly important for high-end bikes with delicate finishes. The tripod base offers excellent stability on uneven surfaces, making it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Whether you are walking in a garage or at a race event, this stand provides a stable platform for your repairs. The height is adjustable from 42 to 65 inches, allowing you to customize the setup for maximum comfort. The number 4 position is held by VEVOR Bike Repair Stand. The VEVOR Bike Repair Stand is a versatile and robust option designed to accommodate a wide range of bikes. This stand features a heavy-duty steel frame that provides exceptional stability and support, capable of holding bike up to 110 pounds. This high weight capacity makes it suitable for heavy-duty bikes, including mountain and electric bikes. The 360-degree rotating clamp allows for easy positioning of your bike, ensuring you can access every part without hassle. The clamp is adjustable to fit various tube sizes, and the rubber padding ensures your bike's frame remains protected during repairs. This versatility makes the VEVOR stand suitable for different types of bikes and repair tasks. Height adjustability is another key feature, with the stand extending from 41 to 75 inches. The wide range allows you to find the perfect walking height, reducing strain and improving comfort during long repair sessions. The stand also includes a tool tray, providing convenient storage for your tools and small parts. The number 5 position is dominated by Topeak Portable Tune-Up Bike Stand. The Topeak Portable Tune-Up Bike Stand is designed for cyclists who need a reliable and portable solution for bike maintenance. This stand is known for its lightweight and compact design, making it easy to transport and store. The aluminum construction ensures durability while keeping the stand light enough for easy handling. One of the main features of the Topeak stand is its innovative clamp system. The clamp can rotate 360 degrees, allowing for full access to your bike from any angle. It's designed to securely hold the bike without damaging the frame with rubberized jaws that provide a firm yet gentle grip. This is essential for maintaining the integrity of your bike's finish. The stand's height is adjustable, offering a range from 39 to 57 inches. This flexibility ensures that you can find a comfortable walking height whether you are making quick adjustments or performing detailed repairs. The tripod base provides stability even on uneven surfaces, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Next up, number 6, we have the Elevon Bike Repair Stand Portable. The Elevon Bike Repair Stand Portable is a great choice for those seeking a balance of affordability and functionality. This stand features a sturdy steel frame that provides reliable support for your bike. With a weight capacity of up to 66 pounds, the solid construction ensures stability during repairs, making it a dependable option for home mechanics. The 360-degree rotating clamp allows you to position your bike at any angle, providing easy access to all parts of the bike. The clamp is adjustable to fit various tube sizes and is padded to protect your bike's frame from scratches and damage. This feature is particularly useful for performing detailed adjustments and repairs. Height adjustability is another important feature, with the stand extending from 42 to 65 inches. This range allows you to find the optimal walking height, reducing strain and improving comfort during long repair sessions. The stand's base is designed for stability with wide legs that provide a solid foundation. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have Delta Cycle Single Bike Stand Floor. Rounding out our list is the Delta Cycle Single Bike Stand Floor. This stand is designed for simplicity and convenience, offering a straightforward solution for bike maintenance and storage. The steel construction provides durability and stability, ensuring your bike is held securely during repairs. The stand's design allows for easy positioning of your bike with a wide base that provides excellent stability. The adjustable arm holds the bike securely without scratching or damaging the frame, making it suitable for a wide range of bike types and sizes. This feature ensures that your bike is stable and secure during maintenance tasks. One of the key benefits of the Delta Cycle Single Bike Stand Floor is its ease of use. The stand is simple to set up and requires no tools, making it a convenient option for quick repairs and adjustments. Its compact design also makes it easy to store when not in use, making it a practical choice for those with limited space. And that wraps up our review of the best bike repair stands for 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Share your favorite bike repair stands or any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.